Unlock will allow us to utilize complex microbial communities to help solving important societal challenges that we are facing now and in the future. Unlock is an infrastructure for research on complex microbial communities. It combines 3 experimental platforms with a 4th data platform that allows us to unlock, characterize, and use the power of microbial communities. I can give some examples for applications of microbial communities, or microbiomes, as we like to call them. One example would be microbial communities that are found in our intestinal tract, and we can use microbiomes to modulate that. For example, for individuals that suffer from obesity or other diseases. You can also think of biopolymers, bioplastics. Microbiomes can also be used to clean up the environment. Unlock does not only help science and industry in the Netherlands, but also every one of us by providing solutions for our own health, for environmental health, and for a new bio-based economy.